Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to copy Instagram link. Instagram has a native tool for creating a QR code for your profile. You must share this QR code with others. You will scan it to visit your Instagram profile. First, go to your profile screen in the Instagram app, then tap profile icon. Select the menu or three lines at the top and select QR code. Your QR code will be displayed. You may either capture a screenshot, download, or share it with others by clicking the share option. Method 2. Using the share profile picture. To share, open the Instagram page or profile. Then, select Share this profile by tapping the three dot symbol. Your following list will appear, with the most recently contacted individuals at the top. Find the person you want to send the link and click the send button next to their name. You can use the search to locate the person you're looking for. As you can see, Instagram is a little strange when it comes to URLs in general. Some URLs are straightforward to share and copy, while others, such as your own Instagram URL, lack a clear copy option. Your profile URL can only be copied using a browser. However, other profile URLs can be simply copied using the mobile app and the web browser on a PC or laptop. Instagram posts, whether they include photos or videos, are effortless copied into the app or on a browser. All you need to know is how to accomplish it. If you don't believe you'll ever need to copy URL on Instagram. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.